Linnaeus is credited with A. Binomial nomenclature, B. Theory of biogenesis, C. Discovery of microscope, D. Discovery of new systematics. And the answer is A. Binomial nomenclature.
Explanation.
1. A. Binomial nomenclature of scientific naming was first given by C. Linnaeus, 1735, in his book Systema Naturae and later in Species Plantarum, 1753. 2. The term new systematics was introduced by A. Bentham and Hooker, B. Linnaeus, C. Julian Huxley, D. A. P. de Candolle. And the answer is C. Julian Huxley.
Explanation.
2. C. The term new systematics was given by Julian Huxley, 1940. This classification takes into account the cytological, morphological, genetical, anatomical and physiological characters. 3. New systematics introduced by Sir Julian Huxley is also called A. Phonetics, B. Cladistics, C. Biosystematics, D. Numerical taxonomy. And the answer is C. Biosystematics.
Explanation. 3. C. Biosystematics. It is a taxonomy based on research on genetic evolution of plants and animals in 1940 carried out by Sir Julian Huxley. 4. Father of botany is A. Linnaeus, B. Leeuwenhoek, C. Theophrastus, D. Aristotle. Explanation.
Theophrastus was first to research plants on scientific basis, therefore he is known as the father of botany. 5. Which of the following statements regarding universal rules of nomenclature is wrong? A. The first word in a biological name represents the genus. B. The first word denoting the genus starts with a capital letter. C. Both the words in a biological name, when handwritten, are separately underlined. D. Biological names are generally in Greek and written in italics. And the answer is D. Biological names are generally in Greek and written in italics.
Explanation.
5. D. Biological names are generally in Greek and written in italics. It is separately underlined when handwritten. 6. The term taxonomy was given by A. Theophrastus, B. Bentham and Hooker, C. Rendell, D. A. P. de Candolle. And the answer is D. A. P. de Candolle.
Explanation.
D. The term taxonomy was introduced by A. P. de Candolle, 1813 in his book, Théorie de la botanique, Theory of Elementary Botany. 7. Point out the contact method of showing scientific name of coconut palm derived by binomial nomenclature. A. Cocos nucifera, B. Cocos nucifera, C. Cocos nucifera, D. Cocos nucifera. And the answer is A. Cocos nucifera.
Explanation.
A. Rules of binomial nomenclature. First is the generic name, written in capital letter, which designates the genus to which the species belong. Second, the specific name or specific epithet indicating the species. Third, then the name of taxonomist is full or in abbreviation. Fourth, scientific name is printed in italics. It is underlined when handwritten. Fifth, the original names were taken from Latin and Greek language. 8. What are the characteristics of the living organisms? A. Growth, reproduction and cellular organization. B. Ability to sense environment and mount a suitable response. C. Ability to self-replicate, interact and emergence, and movement, adaptation, variation, Homeostasis and lifespan. D. All of these. And the answer is D. All of these.
Explanation.
D. Characteristics of living organisms are growth, reproduction, metabolic functions, definite cellular organization, ability to movement and locomotion, ability to increase survival rate, respiration, maintenance of homeostasis, ability to sense aging after growth period and then natural death. 10th. ICBN stand for A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. B. International Congress of Biological Names. C. Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature. D. Indian Congress of Biological Names. And the answer is A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature.
Explanation.
A. The International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, ICBN, is a set of rules and recommendations dealing with the formal botanical names given to plant. The foundations of ICBN are given in book written by C. Linnaeus. 9th. Father of Indian taxonomy is A. Linnaeus, B. H. Santipal, C. V. Puri, D. P. Maheshwari. And the answer is B. H. Santipal.
Explanation.
B. H. Santipal is known as father of Indian taxonomy or systematics for his research on Indian flora. For more MCQ, like and subscribe to my channel.